In the beginning, when Dad passed, I felt that there weren't very many people that thought that I could do this. KZN Leisure Boats from South Africa. We manufacture fiberglass boats and we do lots of boat repairs. I would say it's not hard to be a female boss, but it's hard to be a female boat builder boss because our clientele is men. That's something I learned from my father. I used to come to work late when he was around because he was there. But now it's me. I have to follow in that footsteps because it's an important part of the day. So I'm the first to arrive and the last to leave. When I think about my team, they are now my team. We are a team. And I love them. Each one of them hold a special place in my heart. And I honor them because without them, it doesn't flow. I can't do this on my own. We are only as strong as each other. Safety is, take away all the frills and flares. Safety is the most important thing about boat building. If I felt that I couldn't ensure someone's safety, I wouldn't be still doing this. Oh, well, we're using masks. From the time we have been in boat building, we have been using masks and ventilation and extractor fans. But now we have more advanced breathing apparatus for safety and for their lungs and taking care. This is life-changing for me because the safety of the staff is huge. I feel responsible for their health, for their well-being. I have to sometimes step back or make a conscious decision to do something that I enjoy, totally out of boat building. So my family is a fishing family. We call ourselves a fishing family. We try to go out as much as possible because we love it, each one of us. I have one sister. It's just the two of us. She's my elder. We're best friends. We're each other's cheerleaders. My sister, on special occasions, she does treatments for me. Even though I'm in a male-dominated industry, I love treating myself and taking care of myself. It's important. It's also my image. Well-groomed lady, beautiful boats. Even though I see boats every single day and I've been brought up in boating, I'm still in awe of it. I'm still proud of it. That concept about building someone's dream was what Dad taught me. And this is one of those times, if he was here, he would be so proud of me. A customer said to me the other day that people are talking about you and they say you are just like your father. To hear something like that is special.